I'm Meghna
I am Rajan.
and today we'll be doing partners workout. So let's get started. Alternate toe touching. Stretch your arms. Let's do at least 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done. Relax. Side lunges. Spread your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Push-ups. Try any one of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last 10 and done. Rest. Boat variation. First knee to chest and then stretch your leg. Ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then last 10. Rest. Sit up crunches. First stretch your arms. Now begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more, 9, and last 10. Relax. Keep smiling. Thank you so much for watching, guys.
Hope you have liked the video.
Please subscribe my channel and keep practicing with your partner.